My name is Jim Fleming, and I live in Surprise, Arizona. While in Georgia, I realized through my doctor that I had developed chronic sinusitis, and he suggested I move to Arizona. I retired to move here, got here, and we were getting very high energy bills from APS. Very, very high bills, especially in the summertime when you had to turn on the air conditioner. The bulb went off. Look at all the sun, why don't you get solar? Because wind and solar do not pollute. It's important, it should be important in the whole country, because gasoline and coal pollutes people's lungs, and burning petroleum, the exhaust, ruin California with the smog and people's lungs. It makes sense to me because we have all this God-given sun, but we're real happy with it. I've recommended 4 or 5 people to get Sunrun solar energy, and they're all happy with it. They're all happy.